Went out on the boat for the first time in a few weekends. The plan was to go bass fishing in the morning while the water stayed cool, and then once that sun got up high in the sky around 11-12 o'clock, I'd go ahead and start heading down the river and looking for the tilapia on the beds once that water started to warm up. I was also out on the main lake looking for alligators because alligator season is coming up soon. After fishing the topwater frog for about an hour to an hour and a half, I switched to the crankbait. This crankbait dives 5 to 8 feet deep, and I have 20-pound braided line with a 20-pound monofilament leader that's about 8 feet long. It's a pretty fast retrieve, and I just cast it out and reel it back, nothing fancy. The water depth that I'm fishing is anywhere from 5 to 10 feet deep. I did catch a fish on the crankbait, and it was small, but it did feel good to catch a fish because it's been forever. So around 11:30, the sun started to come out. It was high up in the sky, it was hot outside, and the boat traffic really started to pick up out on the lake. So I started to head up the river. So I started trolling along the banks, looking for some tilapia on their beds. I was able to shoot one tilapia, but I didn't have enough power on it, and I wasn't able to get it back in the boat. It was a great day on the water, felt great, and it felt good to get some good footage. I was happy to get out there, and it just felt good. I tried experimenting with some different camera angles and editing this video a little different. So let me know if you like it. Comment down below what you think was good, what was bad, and what you would like to see. If you enjoyed it and you'd like to see more, go ahead, subscribe. That'd really help me out. I'm really trying to grow this channel. I also have a website, I'll put that on the screen. So go ahead and like it, share it, and let me know what you think. Until next time, thank you for watching. This is JT Gatoring.